Morning.
Board's full. I bought the remaining squares that were not filled out, so the board's good. We're going to pick the numbers now. I got the cards shuffled. It's totally random. We're going to do halftime scores, then final scores. 4, 9, 0, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 6. That's for the NFC. Now we're going to do the AFC halftime. 5, 7, 8, 6, 9, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4. We'll do final score for the NFC now. Three, 1, 0, 7, 6, 8, 9, 2, 5. And AFC final score. 0, 4, 7, 6, 8, 9, 5, 2, 1. Perfect. Done. I'll email it.